let's look at Cheems Inu today. I've not made a video on Cheems Inu for like 2 days now. So let's talk about Cheems Inu. Why some tokens are struggling, some are looking like they're bouncing back. For example, Wakanda Inu, I made a video on Wakanda Inu. Wakanda Inu as of today is up 15%. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you see that Cheems Inu is just 1.38% up. Few seconds ago it was 22%, 0.22%, 0.22%, but right now it is 1.38, which means that a few minutes ago people started buying Cheems Inu again. Although the information on CoinMarketCap is not the best to use in getting the adequate information of Cheems Inu, because the information on CoinMarketCap are not verified. If you put your mouse here, you see that they said CoinMarketCap has not verified this project market cap. The trading volume is also not verified by CoinMarketCap, so you cannot be using this information to talk about the Cheems Inu project. So the best place to go is to go to Poocoin.app. Now from Poocoin.app you can see this is Cheems Inu. This is the daily candle. Yeah, you can see that Cheems Inu is looking like it wants to begin to start a bullish move, right? Before now you can see that there was a point Cheems Inu came down and it was around this position. Right now it formed a very strong candle with a long wick upward. We're expecting the next day to continue the momentum, but then the next day it didn't really move much. Then it came down, and it has gotten support around this area. There's a support zone around here now. So the next day the candle started moving from this place, and today is looking like Cheems Inu might go up because so far, although this bullish candle is not a very convincing candle, but then the day still ended in the bullish side. So let's see how today would look like. Generally, so many meme tokens I know are actually bouncing back today, right? Some of them are like Little Rabbit, Pitbull token, and the ones I can remember, Wakanda Inu, are looking very good today. So I feel Cheems Inu is going to follow the same route. But this is not what I'm focusing on today. I'll be looking at the latest information, the latest news, the latest trend on Cheems Inu. And if you go to Cheems Inu BSC scan, you see that Cheems Inu is almost close to getting 51,000 addresses. This is 50,759 addresses. Before it was 50,000. It means people are still jumping into the Cheems Inu project, and their social media presence is increasing. Their Twitter, they are currently around 28,000 followers on Twitter. Now, one of the things that's going to give Cheems Inu project utility is the Memetools. The Memetools is a platform, I talk about it every time, where meme tokens would be registered on. So every information about meme tokens, their market cap, their trading volume, every information would be on the Memetools platform. And this Memetools platform is a project by Cheems Inu, so it will serve like the coin market cap of meme tokens. So just like the way we have coin market cap here, right, that brings information of every meme token, the Memetools is going to serve as the coin market cap of meme tokens. So it will be called Memetools, owned by Cheems Inu. So when this platform is finally released, which they are planning to release in the first quarter of this year, the first 4 months, is going to give Cheems Inu more utility, and I'm sure it is going to give Cheems Inu more investors who find this token very interesting to invest in, which is a very positive one for the project itself. If you come to the Cheems Inu Twitter account, you see this announcement. They said, as we get closer to the release of Memetools in the first quarter, I would like to remind all of you to research how groundbreaking and innovative our utility will really be. Yeah, it's going to be a very groundbreaking one. So give this a read and share it with your friends. So basically, for you to have a clearer understanding of how the Memetools is going to affect Cheems Inu and what the source of the Memetools, how it is going to affect the crypto space, then we need to read this. Let me quickly read this, and I'm sure after reading this, I'll just check for any other information, any other update in the Cheems Inu project. They said Cheems Inu will soon be the next meme token everyone hears about. From Binance Smart Chain decentralized exchanges to centralized exchanges, Cheems Inu has been the talk of the space. If you've heard of us, you have most likely have heard about our Memetools utility currently in development. Our Memetools will be the central hub for everything meme in cryptocurrency. We will have advertising space available for meme projects, upvote system in place, a fully functioning swap where all meme tokens can be traded, live tickers for popular meme tokens, and top A gainers and loss loser sections similar to core market cap. Like I told you guys, they are using the core market cap concept and they are advancing on it. Said there are dozens of daily popular meme tokens being launched on Binance Smart Chain, which is very true. Ask yourself, where are they advertised? Majority of them are advertised on Poocoin, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. I don't need to actually begin to do research. I know this because that is where we see majority of these tokens. So they said, well, Poocoin is one. However, not just exclusive memes. Dextool is another one. Yes, most of the tokens that are built on the Ethereum blockchain are usually advertised on Dextool. The ones built on Binance are always majorly advertised on Poocoin. Right? Let's keep reading. So Dextool is another one. So Poocoin, Dextool is another one. However, it is very pricey, and CMS is going to be non-existent soon. Now, Memetools will be the place to go. Of course, everyone asks how a project utility will benefit their actual token and the price. Everything being used on our Memetools platform will require payment in Cheems Inu token. Yes, because when you start paying with the Cheems Inu token, it gives the token utility. It makes it more valuable. People begin to invest more in the token. Said not BNB, which will then be burnt out of existence. Think for yourself, if Poocoin charges Poo token for all of their advertisement space and then burn those tokens out of the supply, can you imagine how much that will decrease supply and increase demand? Very, very true. Exponentially, whether you up on the train now or later, at some point or sometime you find yourself using our platform. Don't miss out. For more information, please check our social media and online communities. Now the thing is, I like the idea, I like the belief, I like the way they are actually pushing their project. But then for this project to succeed, it goes beyond having a very good vision. They have to do a lot of marketing. They have to do a solid meme2 platform. Other projects need to, they need to put themselves out there, and they need a very good financial support, financial plan to carry out this project. Because for you to come in and you say you want to remove or you want to take over, you want to be bigger than CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Poocoin, it takes a lot. But then the project itself makes a lot of sense to me, because in the meme2 category, lately CoinMarketCap has been having a lot of issues, lot of glitches, and a lot of problems from time to time. So if Cheems Inu can release their own meme2 and it is more solid, it is better than the CoinMarketCap, I feel it's going to do well for them and it's going to increase their utility. But that being said, this is just the update in the Cheems Inu space. Let me see if there's any other information on Cheems. I think for now this is just the major one. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.